Yo, what's good, everyone? It's your boy 730 G Weezy. I'm back. I'm here. It's the second one I've done in a row. I told you I'll be back. I'm gonna try to drop every Wednesday. Today I got my boy Mike in the chair. I'm not gonna be doing too much crazy stuff. I'm just gonna be doing one side of the head. I just want to show you guys how I'm gonna be doing my taper. The sides, I'm basically just dropping them down, doing a one fade on the side. Then I'm just tapering out his temps over his temple area, and I just want to show you guys that part. My next video I'll drop, I'll do the back half, and I'll show you the remaining parts of the haircut. I just want to drop something this week. It's been real hectic. So right now I'm just going over at the crown of his head. Two, coming straight up. Not going into the rounded head, I'm coming straight up. The other way you can do this is just hit it with the two, leave a hard line and clip over a comb if you are seasoned enough to do something like that. But if you're not, we're just gonna go two, straight up at the crown, and just come straight up. I know I'm gonna leave that little hard line there, but later on I'll show you guys how we take that out. But like I'm saying, a lot of times people are coming 4 clip, 3 clip, 2 clip, 1 clip. It's too much. You know, your fades are coming straight up. So I'm gonna show you the fastest and easiest way to do this blend seamlessly. So we're gonna go 2 straight up. I just threw my 1 on. Now I'm faded into my 2 guard. By the way, if you guys don't know, like, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, be notified whenever I drop some new heat. And like always, you know that I'm rocking with the best team in the industry, BABYLISSPRO. Now, like I said, I got my 1.5 on, and I'm just fading into my 2. Just taking my time, going back and forth, hitting every angle. Now I got my 1 on, and I'll just start fading into my 1.5. Now, as you guys can see, pay attention to my guards. I'm always keeping my guard teeth flat. All the teeth are always flat, whether I'm using the corners of my blades, I'm keeping the guard flat to the head, and that's gonna give you the best results when you guys are fading. So right now I'm using my low pros, great clippers, love these clippers, one of my favorites right now, low pro effects. So I got that 1 and I'm just fading in. You might see me hitting the corners, getting some dark spots in and out of the way. But like I said, I'm always keeping those guards flat. Biggest advice I could give you, make sure you keep the guard flat. Don't be scraping with the teeth. Hold it flat against the dome. Now I got my Boost FX trimmers, just lining up that back end of the ear. We'll just line that up, not cutting into anything, keeping the hairline as natural as possible, just making it harder. Don't be cutting into it so when it grows back it looks all weird like they got a double line up or shaded where it's supposed to be. You guys are gonna remember, when you guys are giving people haircuts, you want the grow back to look good as well. That's why I don't understand why you see these barbers on IG, and I get it. You know, you gotta give what the customers what they want. They want that big hook on the side, cut into that sideburn. But you know something, man? If they're not getting a haircut every 3 days, yo, that's gonna look like doo-doo. So you wanna give the customer something, you know, if they come and they say, yeah, I want this, it's your obligation to tell them good advice. You know, if they still wanna go with you pushing something back, then hey, it's what they wanted. So now I created that first guideline, kind of like right at that ear line. I kind of want to keep that C-scoop dark, so I didn't go too high with it. And now I'm just blending out. You know, I created that first guideline, then I opened up my guard. I created and I just started flicking out, creating another line. And I'll just, with my corners of my blades, even without a guard, I'm always keeping my guard flat. So they have taper blades, they have fade blades. On the Boost FX that comes with fade blades, so it kind of gives you a different angle than a taper blade would give you. But just make sure you guys are coming straight up, blending that right out, making that as clean as possible, nice and crispy. And like I said, I'm only doing this side of the head. Next week I'll drop the back side and I'll show you guys what the finished result was, show you guys how to get rid of that bulk at the crown. But I kind of just want you guys to see how I do this, and I want you guys to practice this. Hit it with a 2 straight up. Don't be doing that 4-3-2 or 5-4-3. Just go with the 2 straight up. Even when I'm cutting hair, there's no reason for me to break out anything higher than a 2. Unless someone wants a 3 on the side, then that's the only reason. But look how clean we're getting. Look how crispy that looks. The whole crown's full. Nice blend on the side. Nice taper, temp, whatever you guys want to call that. Tapered it right down to skin. It's funny, when I started cutting hair, it was a temp. Now it's a taper. So we're just cleaning up that line, and like I said, this is the first sequence. I'll show you guys what I do next week, and we'll continue from there. We'll show you the back side of the head and the other side of the head, and then the finished result. So make sure you guys follow, subscribe, hit that bell, and be notified when I drop some new heat. Peace.